When we talk about energy efficiency in homes in cold climates, one phrase that comes up a lot is the need to make the home tight. And that refers to controlling the air leakage, and that's absolutely true. Uncontrolled air leakage equates to high heat losses and high energy costs, but there's more to it than that. In cold climates, air leakage is also a way that moisture gets transported throughout our home. And when we talk about moisture, this is the water vapor, this is the humidity that is generated by us living indoors. It could be from cooking, it could be from showering, or simply the fact that we're in our homes breathing. Moisture can also be generated from the ground that our home is sitting on. If that air leakage moves that moisture into places where it's colder, such as our attics, our exterior walls, and our crawl spaces, that moisture can condense, and then we can have issues with dry rot and mold and other problems that will affect our home's durability and possibly our health. We've recently produced some videos that focus on various aspects of controlling moisture in homes. We are looking at air sealing ducting for bath fans and ranges. We're taking a look at dryer ducting installations, and we're also covering how to seal crawl space to keep humidity levels down by the foundation low. For further information, please see the description.